These models are getting better at the kind of patient, iterative, technical reasoning that matters a lot in security work. The implication is that it may be making parts of offensive security cheaper, faster, and more scalable. Messy pays first. Not necessarily the company with the most code, not necessarily the company with the fanciest stack. So let's talk about what changes platform debt becomes attacker leverage. That old base image you have not refreshed, that broad deploy role nobody wanted to narrow, that weird internal service that still trusts way too much, that forgotten runner, that weird path with too much access, that long-lived secret, that temporary exception that turns 2 years old. Those things do not just sit there as background ugliness anymore. They become easier to discover, easier to reason about, and possibly easier to combine. That is how real environments break. So if a model gets better at following those threads with patience and speed, the problem is not just vulnerable code. The problem is vulnerable operating models.